If you've ever been to Bali or Indonesia, you'd be familiar with the dish Nasi Goreng. Now, I love this dish because my mother's Balinese and we grew up on it as when we were kids. So the name simply translates to nasi, meaning rice, and goreng, meaning fried. Today, I'm using brown rice as it has more nutrition than plain white rice. So, if you don't have a rice cooker at home, I highly recommend you get one as it makes the process of cooking rice a lot more easier, and if you're time poor, it's really handy equipment to have. Depending on what rice you choose to use, generally the ratio is about 1 to 2. So 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. So the sauce I'll be using today, I've pre-mixed here. So it's got 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of salty soy, 4 tablespoons of sweet soy, and 2 teaspoons of vegetarian oyster sauce. So I'm gonna pour this into my nasi or rice. And then I'm gonna go over to the pan. I'm heating my pan over medium to high heat. Now I've added in about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and when this is hot, I'll add in my garlic. Add in the garlic. And cook this for about a minute. So now the garlic's getting slightly brown, I'm gonna add in the remaining vegetables. So I've got some julienne carrot, some chopped green onions, julienne chilli, some thinly sliced cabbage, and some chopped bok choy. Give this a mix, and we're going to cook these down till they're nice and wilted, so say 3 minutes. And I'll add a teaspoon of veggie stock powder. So you can see these veggies have cooked through a little. I'm going to add half a cup of bean sprouts. Give it another mix, and then we'll add in our rice. Add in a pinch of pepper. And if you like it spicy, you can add some more chili, more small chilies, or you can add some chili flakes at the end. So I cooked this for about 5 minutes, and now everything's nice and brown and all of the sauce is mixed through evenly. I'm going to transfer to 2 plates. So like I said, this is probably enough for 4, but I'm just going to garnish 2 now. the smell. And I'll be garnishing mine with some fried onions. Now you can get these from the Asian grocery, or you can actually make them yourself. Basically, it's just chopped shallots, chopped nice and finely, and then you just fry them in some oil over low heat. Okay. Now to garnish, I've got some chopped spring onions, sprinkle, a few chili flakes just for that extra kick of spice. Again, optional depending on how much spice that you like, and a sprinkle of the fried onions. You can drizzle a little extra sweet soy sauce on top if you like, or just serve it as a side with the nasi. And then just for some extra color, a few sliced bird's eye chilies. And some spring onions again, but I've left these ones a little longer. And I like to serve mine with a little slice of lime. Now, they don't really do that here in Bali. However, it gives it a little acid kick to it and just balances it out quite nicely. So here we have two simple and delicious plates of nasi goreng. Selamat makan!